असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, hello children. How are you? I hope you are doing well in studies. Welcome to MRMS Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss about Grade 3 Science, Chapter 3 Birds, Session 4. Today we are going to discuss about nest of birds and importance of birds. Before starting our class, let's revise previous session. Children, can you identify how many toes are there in its feet? Yes, 4 toes, sparrow bird. So what kind of claws are found in the bird shown below? Hooked claws, vulture. The name of the bird is vulture. Let's start our topic, nest of birds. Birds build their nest to lay eggs and protect their chicks from any danger. They build their nest on branches of trees, holes in trees, old buildings, and cracks in walls. They use leaves, sticks, grasses, pieces of cloth, and cotton of build their nest. Let us study about the nest built by few birds. For example, sparrow nest, parrot nest, pigeon nest, or woodpecker nest. Birds such as sparrow and pigeon build their nest using sticks, pieces of cloth, and grasses on the trees and even inside our houses. They build their nest. For example, birds such as parrot and woodpecker live inside the tree trunks by making holes in the trees. By using their strong beaks, they make holes in the trunk. Yes, they make holes in the tree trunk and they make their nest inside of tree trunk. Eagle builds its nest with twigs and sticks at height on a tree. An eagle has the biggest nest among all the birds because eagle is the biggest bird and nest is also biggest like eagle. Weaver bird. A weaver bird is known for its nest. It makes a beautiful nest. A weaver bird uses grass and leaves to weave a nest around the branches of trees. Tailor bird. Tailor bird is a small bird. It gets its name from the way it builds the nest. The bird sews the end of a leaf with plant fiber and builds a nest inside it. Cuckoo is the only bird that does not make its own nest. It mostly lays its eggs in the crow's nest. Children, do you think birds are important for our environment? Let's start our topic, importance of birds. Birds play an important role for living organisms and environment. They protect the crops by eating away the harmful insects that attack the crops. Birds eat the fruits and help in the spreading of seeds. The droppings of birds improve the fertility of soil. Birds are facing a lot of danger due to cutting of trees, hunting, etc. Thus, our government has set up several sanctuaries to protect the birds. Let's learn what is actually bird sanctuary. Yes, several birds sanctuaries have been established to protect the natural habitat of birds. Let us study about some of them. Kiladio National Park, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is a man-made sanctuary located in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Many migratory birds come here during winter season. The famous Siberian crane visit this sanctuary. In polar regions, animals have to face extreme winter since it is difficult to survive in such extreme climate. Some birds living in these regions move to warmer regions. They return to their native places once the conditions are favorable again. This is known as migration. Siberian crane migrate to India from Russia, covering a distance of 6,450 kilometers. Let's discuss about next bird sanctuary, Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest bird sanctuary in India. It is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. This sanctuary has many lakes. Several birds come to this sanctuary during migratory season. Some of the birds visiting this sanctuary, for example, herons, storks, spoonbills, tern and pelicans. These are the example of birds. These birds visit the Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. The local people of Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary found that the droppings of the bird made the soil of the area fertile and increased the productivity of soil. By this class, we had completed our third lesson.